Even as the India bloc infighting has intensified, the BJP is unsparing in its attack on the Congress over Delhi loss. BJP MP Anurag Thakur took a jibe at Rahul Gandhi over the Delhi poll loss, and he was seen holding a placard with zeros written on it in the Lok Sabha and said that the centre gave much relief to middle class with zero tax on rupees 12 lakh. Soon he said that these zeros do not mean Delhi Congress numbers.
राहुल जी जीरो चेक कर लीजिए। सन 2014 के लोकसभा चुनाव दिल्ली की जनता ने कांग्रेस को कितनी सीटें दी? 2015 के विधानसभा में कांग्रेस को कितनी सीटें दी? 2019 के लोकसभा में कितनी सीटें दी? 2020 के विधानसभा में कितनी सीटें दी? 2024 के लोकसभा में कितनी सीटें दी? 2025 के विधानसभा में कितनी सीटें दी? अगर ये जीरो का रिकॉर्ड बनाने का काम किसी ने किया है तो राहुल जी के नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया है।
All right, my colleague Ishwarya now joins us on the broadcast back again. Well, Ishwarya, not just the India bloc, the BJP MP also, Mr. Anurag Thakur, quite unsparing in his attack on the Congress MP there, showing that placard that, of course, referred to the zeros. The 12 lakh rupees, the tax-free announcement that has been made on salary up to 12 lakh rupees. But at the same time, the BJP MP was heard mocking Rahul Gandhi for the hat-trick of zeros that the Congress party has got.
Well, certainly, and this amid the rift between the India Alliance members, where all the political parties apart from the Congress, who are the part of the India bloc, clearly targeting the Congress party and its leadership as well, and stated that how in the recent Delhi elections we saw the difference between the difference of vote share and also the seats that were won by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and difference of votes between the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, which was much lesser than what the Congress have got, and if that would have combined, then BJP would have won. BJP would have been defeated. And certainly different political parties were asking that question, but it was Anurag Thakur who came up with that placard when he was replying to the debate on the general budget. It was stated by Anurag Thakur that how the central government had given a huge relief to the taxpayers as well as the middle class with 12 lakh of the income, giving and getting no tax, and it is a zero tax for them, but it is the jibe that he has taken as far as the recent election results in Delhi for the Congress party had been so far in the Vidhan Sabha and Lok Sabha. In the recent last elections, it is zero seat. Of course, the Congress party had stated that their vote share from the last Vidhan Sabha elections to these Vidhan Sabha elections had increased, but of course, as it has been stated by the Aam Aadmi Party MPs and different the MPs from the India bloc as well, that if the Congress would have fought the elections together with the Aam Aadmi Party, results would have been different, and therefore the reason perhaps it is now the Bharatiya Janata Party who have mounted the attack on the Congress over these results that
Absolutely. Yes, Ishwarya, thank you so much.